Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss about Werner coordination theory. So for exam point of view I will discuss this part, okay, the theory part. See, so this is complex. Now first of all you have to know that which one is central metal atom, which one is ligands, which one is counter ions or ionization pair, and which one is coordination pair, and what is the coordination number or ligancy. Okay, this one you have to know. Okay, see, first of all this whole one is coordination compound. Okay, this whole one is coordination compound. So see this third bracket, inside the third bracket, this CO, this one is called cobalt atom, this one is ammonia, and this is chlorine or chloride. Okay, see this one, this complex, this one is called complex. Okay, this is complex. This complex is called, this one is coordination pair. Okay, this one is called coordination pair. Now, and this one is called central metal ion. Okay, this one is called central metal ion, and this one is called ligand. Okay, ligand, and this six is called coordination number or ligancy Okay, so this 6 is called what? Coordination number, or this is short form CN. Okay, CN, this one, or ligancy. Now this whole one is called ionization pair. So this one is called ionization pair, and this one is called coordination number, and this is, or short form is CN, or sometimes it is called ligancy. Okay, this one. So see, this is central metal ion. In this central metal ion, how many ligands are attached directly? 6. Okay, so here 6 ligands, and this ligand is, this is neutral. Okay, this one is neutral. Understood? And this one is called homoleptic. You can call also this one is homoleptic. Okay, homoleptic complex. Homoleptic complex. Okay, now why this one homoleptic complex? Because here one type of ligand are directly attached with this central metal ion. Okay, that means here one type of ligand, you have to see here this complex, that means inside the third bracket here how many ligands? 6 ligands. Yes, 6 ligands, but here one kind of ligands are attached with central metal ion. Okay, so that's why this one is called homoleptic complex. Okay, this part only, this part. So what about this compound, coordination compound? Okay, now I'll discuss this part. See, this is what? This one is central metal ion, central metal ion, CO, cobalt, and this one also ligand, this one also ligand. Okay, and this one is what? Counter ion. Now is called, this one is ionization pair. Ionization pair. Okay, this one. So what about coordination number or ligand C? What about coordination number or ligand C? You can see here this is central metal atom. In here this is terminal atoms or terminal groups. This one. How many? Here 4. Here 2. Then 4 plus 2 6. So this one is ligand C or coordination number. So coordination number ligand C here is 6. 4 plus 2 6. Now you have to see this complex is homoleptic or heteroleptic. Homoleptic or heteroleptic. How to find out? See here this is chloride and this one is ammonia. Here two kinds of ligands attached with central metal ion. Two kinds of. So this whole complex is called heteroleptic. Heteroleptic complex. Okay, then this one is heteroleptic complex. Now next example I will discuss. Another one. Now platinum PtCl2 NH3 whole 2 this complex. Now you can find out this is homoleptic complex or heteroleptic complex. Now first of all to see this one is what? Platinum. Okay, this platinum, this one, and this is central metal ion, and this one is chloride, ammonia. Here two kinds of ligands are present. That's why this one is called heteroleptic. Heteroleptic. Okay. Now, and how many counter ion are present here? Counter ion are present or what? No, because only this complex. Okay, outside the complex, no ligands or no chloride or something. Okay, this one, that means ionization pair not there. So counter ion not present. Okay. Now, and this one is, see, this ammonia is neutral ligand. So this oxidation number is what? This oxidation number is 0. Okay, and this one is anionic ligand. Okay, anionic ligand. Now I will discuss about neutral, anionic and cationic ligands. So see neutral ligands. Some example of neutral ligands. Neutral ligands. Okay. Ammonia, then water, then CO, then NO. Okay. The lone pair is there. Lone pair. One lone pair. Here two lone pair. Here also one lone pair. Here one lone pair, and C6H5. C6H5N, and this one is called pyridine. Okay, pyridine, and this one is called this one is called nitrosyl. This one is called nitrosyl. These are neutral ligands. Now anionic ligand. Some example of anionic ligand. Anionic ligands. Okay, Cn minus, F minus, Cl minus, CH3, COO minus, this is acetate, and C2O4 2 minus, like this. Okay, so these are anionic ligands. So you should learn this one. Which one is anionic ligand? Which one is neutral ligand? Now another one is last one. This is cationic ligand. Cationic ligand. Cationic ligands. Okay. Now you can this one NO plus and H2N NH3. This one is cationic ligand. Okay. This one. So these are ligands type. Okay, neutral ligands, anionic ligands, cationic ligands. Okay. Now, one example arises. See, a question you have to do that by oneself. Very easy one. This question is, determine the coordination number or ligand C, coordination number or ligand C of nickel and cobalt in the complexes. First complex is NiCO4 and second one NH3 whole 6 3 plus. Okay. Now, how to find out that coordination number or ligand C? First of all, this complex, you have to see this complex. In this complex, how many ligands are attached with nickel ion? How many? 4. That's why now ligand C is 4. So first of all, this complex is ligand C. How much? Ligand C is 4. Now second one, in this complex you have to see have 6. Okay, 6. Now coordination number you can find out here in this complex. So this cobalt atom, see how many ligands are attached with central metal ion? How many? 6. So coordination number is, or ligand C or coordination number, or you can write or coordination number equal to how much? Coordination number is 6. Okay, this is cationic, and this whole complex is complex cation. Whole complex is complex cation. This cation charge here, this top side have to see 3 plus. This is cation charge, and here no charge. That's why this is neutral complex. Okay. Then thank you, and next video I will discuss the more example. Okay.